Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Python video lesson number 13. In previous lesson, that is Python video lesson number 12, we studied about slice operator and then escape character, conversion codes, usage of curly bracket with format function. That is what we studied in the previous lesson. Now we are going to study about important functions in string. That means some of the built-in functions available with string objects. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. There are so many functions are there. We will see some of the important functions only. Built-in string function. First one is len. That is very simple. Gives or returns number of the characters. Number of the characters. Example. For example, len of str1. Consider str1 is a string. Here we can put str1 equal to success computer education. So how many characters in str1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space also one character. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. It gives 26. So len is very simple. It gives number of the characters. Number of the characters available in the particular string. Next, second function is also very simple. That is count. So this side we have to give one string, comma, then begin, comma, end. So begin as well as end are optional. If you want, you can give it. So count returns number of the occurrence of the string in a calling string. Number of str in string. Consider str1 contains success computer education. Here u, alphabet u is available in 1, 2, 3, 3 times. We need that one. Example, then string, that is str1 dot count of gives number 3. This is example 1. Similarly, str1 of 1 dot count of single alphabets. Again wait. So first you should be skipped out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm starting from 8 onwards. So checking for 8 will start from, checking for u will start from 8th character onwards. So before that it comes in first 0th location, first location. This u will be skipped out. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 8 character is C. From C onwards, how many u are there? So 1, 2. This u will not be counted. So we are having gets 2. This is second form of count. Third one, str1 dot count of u, comma, 8, comma. 8 is begin. We can specify end also. Here 15 I am giving. We'll consider 15 means 14. 15 minus 1. Always end stands for n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have to count starting from 8th character onwards, that is C onwards, up to 14th character. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 U is there. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have to finish it at 15th itself. We are having only 1 U. Gives U. That means the number of the U available from 8th character onwards, 15th character of str1. So it gives only number 1. So this U does not have begin as well as end. It searches for the whole string. It searches for the whole string. Whereas this count we are having begin only, not end. Then it searches for 8th character onwards up to end. Here we are giving begin as well as end. Yet n means n minus 1, that is 14th character. Searching for the U starts from 8th character onwards up to 14th character. How many U's are available from 8th character to 14th character? That is it gives. Third one, capital S. It is very simple. Capitalize. Returns, or we can put makes first letter as capital. That means in success computer education, S alone will be capital, everything will be small letter. Even though this E is capital, this E will become a small letter. Then we will get str1 dot capitalize. It returns string of gives capital S. S alone will be capital, remaining thing will be small letter. This is also small letter. First letter alone, first letter only capital letter. Everything will be small letter. Fourth one, upper. It's also very simple. Or returns string with all capital or uppercase capital letters. str1 dot upper. Everything will be capital. Similarly, lower. Same thing. Instead of capital letter, it will be small letter. Return string with all small letters or lowercase. Sixth one, title. In each and every word of the string, first letter of each word is capital. That means str1 of title gives S will be capital, then C will be capital, then E will be capital. Capitalize means first letter only capital, remaining thing everything will be small letter. Title means in each and every word first letter will be capital. Seventh function, Swapcase. It's also very simple. Changes capital letter into small letter. And small to capital. Here consider S is capital, E is capital. This S and E will become small letter. Remaining thing U, C, C, E, S, S, C, O, M, P, everything will be capital letter. Swapcase gives S will be small letter, everything will be capital letter. Computer E will be small letter, and then everything will be capital letter. It will be like this. Swap means just swapping the cases. Capital letter will become small letter, small becomes capital letter. 8 to 1 is upper. It is very simple. If uppercase is there, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Returns true if str1 contains capital letter. Otherwise, it gives a false. Similarly, is lower. Returns true if str or some string contains small letter. Now first we will see this one and then we'll go for the remaining functions. Now I will write to one Python program to explain the usage of these functions. str1 equal to success computer education. Now str1 is a one variable that is assigned with success computer education. Then we should have we can find out str1. str1 will be success computer education, but we can put it as a small letter. Then I like to use first len str1. It gives number of the characters. So we will see the output. We'll check it out one by one. See here, this str is displayed as it is. How many characters are there? 28 characters are there. So len is a function which returns number of the characters available in the string. Next one, you can go for count. Print str1 dot count of single u. So it returns number of occurs of characters or string. So E is available in 3 times here. See here 3 times. Again 2 more forms are there. str1 dot count of string comma 8, that is begin. So after 8th character. Occurs of character after begin. Begin means after 8th character. So after 8th character we are having only 2u. So we'll get 2. Similarly, third form, comma 15. That means from 8th character to 14th character. N. So this will only one u becomes. See here. So count as three forms. Begin, end are optional. This is compulsory. One substring you have to specify. Begin with end. Then we'll go for capitalize. Print str1 dot capitalize. Returns first letter alone capital. First character only capital. So here S only capital. This E becomes small letter. See here S alone capital. Remaining thing everything is small letter. Similarly, upper. Everything will be capital. Everything will be smaller. All characters only capital. All characters only small. Small case or lower case. Print str1 dot title. In each and everywhere, first letter becomes capital. Now see the output. See here, first one is capitalize. First letter alone capital, remaining everything is small letter. Second one is upper. All are capital letter. Third one is lower. All are small letter. Fourth one is title case. That is, first letter of each and every word becomes capital. Remaining characters is small letter. Swap case. Capital to small and small to capital. Whatever available in capital letter becomes small letter becomes capital letter. Here str1, S is capital, E is capital. These two characters become small letter, everything will be capital letter. So see here, S and E alone capital, everything will be small letter. Then we studied about is upper, is lower. str1 dot is upper as well as is lower. False. That means here is upper. We are having S as well as E is capital letter. Other than this, small letters. So small letters are there. That is why it gives false. Similarly, Islower also gives false. Here capitals are present. For example, I change it as a everything small letter. Now all are small letters. See here, is upper. There is no one character is capital letter. So everything is small letter. So it gives false. Whereas Islower gives true because all the characters are small letters. That is the usage of upper and small. Returns true if all are capital. Returns true if all are small. Here all are small letter. That is why Islower gives true. We will change it as all are capital letter. There is no even single small letter. Then Isupper gives true, Islower gives false. See here, Isupper gives true, Islower gives false. Islower, Isupper. We can keep as it is. Now, still some more function we have to study. Next one is center. It gives number of the characters, comma, some symbols, some character. That means with and string. We should have. It gives string with. If the calling string is very small, for example, success, it does not have 15 characters. The 15 character calling string will be placed at center of 15 places. Left and right hand side will be filled with one given character. We can play it as a character. For example, we can have success. We can have SC alone. Dot. Center of. We can have 7. Come on. Here we can have some string. It gives. So SC should be placed in middle of the 7. So here two places will be vacant at left hand side. Two places will be vacant at the right hand side. These left 2 places, right 2 places will be filled with hash symbol. We will see hash SCG again hash. Okay, totally 7 places are reserved for SCE. SCE will be placed in center. Both left and right hand side hash will come. We can change it as a width. So count syntax is with comma single character or more than one character. It places like this. 11th one. Find. Here one substring, comma, as well as start end. Both are optional. It is used to find location or index. Location or index of substring in string. Example, str1 dot find single u. It gives, where is u is available here? 0, 1. It gives number 1. So previously we studied count. Count counts number of the occurrence of the u, whereas find returns the index or position or location of the specified string. Here we need to find where is u is available. U is available in first location. This is 0 location. This is first location. Similarly, 3 forms are there. Just here 1 dot find, comma 8. It gives. So this is begin. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 7th character, we have to find in which place u is available. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You will get 12 here. After that, one u is there, that will be skipped. After 8, first occurrence of the u. Similarly, if you want find string 1 dot find u, comma 8, comma similarly 15. So after 8, before 15, you have to find out. That also gives 12. So this is the usage of find. So now print. We should have one string. That means we can go for center 7, comma character hash. We should have one more bracket here. See it here. SCE is placed in middle of the 7 location. Both sides, two locations are filled with hash symbol. Both sides filled with character, given character. So this is the center. Then we can go for find. Print str1 dot find single u. Finds position or location or index of u. See it here, number 1, that is 0, 1. Find as 3 form u, comma 8. Similarly, comma 15. See here 12, 12. So it is for after 8th character, that is starts from u. This is u. Here also we have to find out 8 to 15. So here we can change it up. Assume C is 8th character, 8, 9, 10. We cannot able to find out u. So searching should be carried over from 8th character to 9th character. That will be 0 C to 9. That's all. So here we get -1 because u is not available in between 8th character to 9th character. That is why it goes. Returns position of character, position of u after 8th character. Returns position of u between 8 and 9. So 10 means -1. 8th character to 9th character. There is no u is available. That is why it returns -1. Then we can go for Isalnum. So we can have here success number 1, some alphabets. Dot is alpha, is Isalnum. See here, false. It gives false. Print. Here is alpha. Here is digit. So false, false, false. Consider here is Isalnum. If any one character is not alphabetic as well as number, it returns true. If any one character is alphabets, all the characters should be alphabets or number. If any one special character is available, it gives false. Gives true if all characters are alpha or digit. We will check it out. I just remove the special character. Consider it gives true. That means all characters should be alphabets or digits. Similarly, here gives true if all characters are alpha. All characters should be alpha. Now I just remove this one. So all characters are alphabets. It gives true. Similarly, here gives true if all characters are digits. I remove this one. Similarly, this also. See it here, all are true. That means if one string we are having, in that string all characters should be alphabet as numeric. Then Isalnum gives true. Otherwise it gives false. Isalpha gives true if only all characters are alphabets. Isdigit gives true if only all the characters are alphabets. That is Isdigit, Isalpha, Isalnum. Next we are going to study about join. Print hash symbol or any other symbol. Hash dot join. We have to specify one string here. So each and every element available in this sequence are joined by hash symbol. Gives yes hash e hash l hash v hash a. See here SEL V A. So today I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. In this lesson, we studied some of the important built-in functions in string. One is len, count, capitalize, upper, lower, title, swapcase, isupper, islower, center, find, isalnum, isalpha, isdigit, and then join. So I stopped here itself. In next lesson, we will study a little bit more. Until then, thank you students. Bye-bye.